Hello and welcome back to another in-depth weather video. Today we're going to be talking about one subject and one subject only, and that is the temperature roller coaster that will be impacting the core of the United States this week into next week. So if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Here I am on the National Weather Service page. We have extreme heat warnings in the west, in California, Nevada, Arizona. We also have heat advisories and red flag warnings in those areas. But the main area that we're going to be focusing on is actually east of the Rocky Mountains. Some areas, especially Denver, has been the model for this because it's crazy. Saturday, they're going to have, so technically tomorrow, they're going to supposedly have a record high 98-degree high for the day. And then on Tuesday, they're down to 44. That's incredible. But let's move on. Radar right now is looking pretty calm. A few showers and thunderstorms in the east. The west is generally dry, as it has been most of the summer. So let's just move on to the satellite. You can see we still have this cross-country pattern from Texas through the northeast. We have that wind maker that we were talking about yesterday moving through, and let's go straight into the NAM. So obviously behind this storm you have those powerful winds that would bring in some Arctic air as well, and then you have this high pressure setting up here and here. But we're generally just going to start seeing a trend toward being colder, and we're going to go into thermodynamics. I'm just going to scroll right through it. So you have this front over here. You can see 40s and 50s for lows, 70s for highs, and then that just increasingly gets cooler and cooler, further and further east. So there's those record temperatures. That is Saturday. But that cold area, that cold pool of air is definitely coming, and we can see that in the GFS. We start to get into Tuesday, you start to see those blues. That is below freezing temperatures. So we are starting to see temperatures below freezing in the northern tier of the country. You can see more of them. This is early Tuesday, and you can see Denver definitely there. 40s and 50s extending all the way down into Mexico. And you can see just a huge plunge of that cool pool of air. And that works its way east. So everywhere except for probably the very west coast is going to be impacted by this huge Arctic blast for this time of the year. So you can see it even shows up when I just go like this. You can see that cold dive. So we definitely have to watch that huge pool of cold air Tuesday at 12 UTC. So we definitely got to watch this. Could see some snow as well, which we're definitely starting to get into the winter storm season. I'm very excited for that. I think it's going to be a very weird winter storm season. I think that we could have maybe a little bit below average with the actual storms, but I think the storms might be a little bit more impactful. That's just my opinion on the subject. But we definitely have to watch this cold pool of air moving through the United States and see after that, do we get more of these? Do we get more of these Arctic plunges? And does that end up leading us to a little bit of an earlier winter storm season? And if we do have such an active tropical storm season, hurricane season, as we have, can we see those two happening at the same time? Could we have winter storms going on and we're still talking about the tropics and in depth in both of them? So very crazy times. Definitely gonna look out for this, and I will thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.